Yeah, this is my the Caramac brownies. Haven't really turned into brownies, but they've turned into a gooey, crunchy type cookie, and my god, they're sort of crunchy on the outside, gooey in the middle, and oh, they taste absolutely divine. Taste like you're eating fudge, but with a crunchy, oh, they're beautiful, crunchy texture. That's Mark 1. We're going to try that again and try and make them a little bit more professional. And we'll probably have, yeah, we'll have another go at that.